Welcome everyone to another video. My name is Hagop, aka Hags, and today I'm at my new property project. If you haven't seen my previous video, it would have been a full tour of this place. But in today's video, I'm going to have a walkthrough with my builder discussing all the works that need doing to the project, what we can do, what we can avoid doing, what we can spend a bit more on to make it look that bit more nicer, because as you know, I'm flipping this property, so any minute now my builder will turn up and we'll go through the whole project, and he'll eventually give me a quote of exactly how much everything costs, but also let me know down below roughly how much you think all the works will cost. So let's get straight into the video.
Light work?
Yeah. So this room, definitely the floor. It really depends how far we can stretch with the budget.
Right.
So I guess I'll list everything and then maybe we take things out if it's too much. What do you think of this wallpaper? Do you think you can paint over this, or?
It's already been painted, so you can paint here.
Okay. You can't paint over that as well?
You can see through.
You'll still see through, okay.
So this is the texture, smooth. This is the door
For this room?
door is fine, as long as it's not bent. Skirting, okay. Electric, bit low.
It is a bit low.
It is a gas one,
Mm.
whether it's work or not.
Yeah. So this was the first time my builder has come to this project, and I've obviously shown him photos. He's obviously told me how much roughly it will cost. I do my own due diligence and assume certain costs for certain things, and we almost come to the middle ground. Starting off with the living room, I was fairly happy with his response. It was pretty much what I was after. Either replaster the living room and paint it, or just paint over the wallpaper and redo the flooring in that room. Pretty much exactly what I had in mind. So far, so good.
This is very small worktop. You need a workspace more than...
this space isn't enough.
Yeah. Just change the doors. White door. And
You sure? I mean, it would look nice, you know, with the gloss finish cupboards. It would look like a brand new kitchen.
So I think tile as well, just leave it.
Yeah.
Paint rest.
Yeah.
And paint the tile as well.
You'll open it maybe roughly around here?
No.
A bit less.
So roughly here or here, depending what's the length of the house.
And then will you knock this out as well?
No.
You can't, it's
Same
just this. Okay, I mean it would look better.
Look better, yeah.
Much better.
No, carpet is fine. Carpet there, just the kitchen lino, and this is lino.
But is this all level though? You have to make sure it's very level, right?
Should be okay. But for the lino, you need to put a ply here. Then it's look better. You can't do over the floorboard.
But how much difference is it for tile and lino, for example?
Still 300, 400, 500.
Difference?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I think also once it's all done as well, walls are white, new cupboards, I think they'll look brand new. So the kitchen, again, was a bit more of a confusing one, wondering, do we knock the wall down? Do we leave it as it is and just replace the whole kitchen, or replace only the cup? You get the gist. There's 1,000,001 different ideas. Realistically, the option is to open up that wall as much as possible, replace all the cupboards. That was the ultimate aim. And, forgot to mention, replace the flooring. So pretty much cost-wise, we're still okay. And my builder's pretty much agreed to everything so far, so no complaints there. And we move on into the diner, which again, it flows nicely, making sure the flooring's the same. So again, that's another positive. We check that one off. And in this room, we are definitely going to replaster, repaint, because the condition of it in general, it needed done, to be honest with you.
That maybe just leave it.
Yeah.
Put, if you want to change, new to it. And the floor tile.
Yeah, we'll match these two together.
Tile or lino. Lino is okay as well.
I think so. Maybe both these.
Lino, yeah. Bit cheaper.
Just similar colour, yeah.
So lino here, lino there.
Yeah.
And the toilet. You want basin here?
No. That's a lot of effort.
Or get something, toilet and basin on top.
That's a good idea.
Then at least if someone showers, someone can still use toilet, and
That's a good idea.
you just need a hot water here. At the moment it's only cold, but
Yeah.
it's not issue. Oh, standard size is fine. 600.
As in for like labour work.
Yeah, so if it's too big, then it's
Yeah.
again more harder.
Okay, so
So
somewhere.
standard size, 2 feet by 1 feet is.
So you let me know which one is best anyway.
That's fine.
I'll just pick a colour. Not fast.
Bath space you have here is 1700 standard 1700.
Yeah.
And 700 by 1700 the bath. You could go 750, but yeah, 600 vanity. Good height.
It's a bit too high, if anything. More towels now. So the WC and the bathroom. One option was to open it up and make it basically into a full bathroom. Would have cost extra, and really it's not going to add too much value. So my plan was to tile the whole bathroom again, which my builder suggested, and then just basically completely renovate it. That was again my plan. I did want to try and save the bath. I'm not trying to be picky here. Tried to save the bath, but the condition of it was not good enough. So we scrapped that and the whole lot is being replaced.
So boiler work, yeah?
Yeah, boiler's fine.
You have anything to open this one?
Yeah, there was that stick in here which I was using. It's just a pull down. I haven't actually been up there. They spent about 5,000 I saw when they were all on this upstairs. So they've done a lot of effort. I think there's lights here. Is this, no. Maybe I don't think it is, look. I don't know what this one's for. This is massive.
Yeah.
We should just do a staircase up here. Yeah.
You don't want to break down there.
We don't need to touch it.
It's nice.
Really nice.
Imagine like a dormer loft here.
You'll be spending about 40,000 for the dormer. It's not worth it. With this loft space, it's my first time actually going up there. I didn't go up there when I purchased it initially, or even done the viewing, should I say, just because it's a loft space, it's a storage space, it's nothing crazy. So we go up there, and seeing the condition of it, I'm surprised. I saw on an invoice that they spent £5,000 on it. That's why I mentioned it to my builder. And looking at it, it was amazing. But of course, this is storage space only. That's it. You can't use it as living space.
Okay. So how far the bed, single bed come out?
6 foot? Yeah.
Max?
Yeah. And width is maybe 3 foot?
3.5.
Yeah.
3.5.
Say 3.5 then, yeah.
So yeah, because we need to see the door opens.
So around here.
Should be okay. So maybe flush with this side, the wall.
Yeah.
Because this is good size.
But this is more than, it's just this cupboard needs to go.
Cupboard, yeah.
Once that goes, you put the bed along there, and you have all this space. You can put a cupboard here, and that's more than enough. So this is the tricky part, trying to make the measurements match with other 3-bedroom properties around the area, because always with a 3rd bedroom, it's always very, very small, really, and you can just about fit a single bed and some storage space, or what most people do is they might turn it into an office space, but also you have the option to turn it into an actual bedroom. So the option's there. So really, at the end of this whole interaction, I've pretty much got it bang on with what my builder initially stated to me in terms of the cost roughly and the works. Yes, when he came, there was a few other bits that needed doing, so the price and the budget went up slightly. And that's all part of this game. Your budget is never really your budget till you've completed the project. And that's when you know exactly how much it costs. This is looking like a 6-week project, so really can't complain about that. We'll see how it goes. Drop a like to see the next video, which will show you me buying the materials, going around looking for different materials for the best price, and also coming to do a slight update on the full strip out. You'll see maybe in an upcoming video how much it did cost in the end, but for now, let me know your rough figures. But I've been Haggo, aka Hags. Don't forget the name. I'll catch you in the next video.